SPC DTM conforms to Elcomponent's long-held design philosophy of make it clever, keep it simple. And using the product is an easy step-by-step process which ensures correct operation every time. Here we join Elcomponent MD Bill Gysin as he takes us through the procedure for using the DTM with an SPC Pro 3-phase data logger, surveying the incoming supply at their head office.
Okay, so here we are at the main incomer for the building, and as you can see we already have an SPC Pro data logger hooked up to the supply. You can learn more about how easy that is to do in the SPC Pro video on this website. Now you can see it's already logging, indicated by the logging LED. So we'll start by connecting the DTM to a power supply. Now this is very important. Although the DTM has its own backup battery, it must have a power supply connected. Once we've done that, all we have to do is connect the aerial and then connect it to the logger, to the SPC Pro. At this stage, a close look at the front panel indicators on the DTM is a good plan because they tell us exactly what's going on. At the moment we can see that power is connected, and as we've connected the aerial, we've got a mobile network signal. You'll note that we're using a remote magnetic mount aerial, which is supplied as standard with the DTM because it allows you to mount it in the most advantageous position. Now, signal strength is important in exactly the same way as it is for making a mobile phone call, and it's indicated by this LED, which group flashes to indicate how good the signal is. No flashes, not surprisingly, no signal. One flash, not very good signal. 5 flashes, that's the best signal we can get. You can see here that we've got 3 flashes, which is fine. And while we're on the subject, high gain aerials, like this one, are available from stock if you're working in a poor signal area. So, we have power, we have signal, now we'll connect the logger. As you can see, the logger indicator flashes and then stays on to confirm that the logger is connected, and more importantly, to confirm that it's been recognised correctly by the DTM. So now we have power, we have a signal, and we have a logger connected. All we need to do is press the test button, wait a few moments for the test to complete. What's happening here? Well, the DTM is connecting to its programmed website, sending a test file to validate the connection. We can actually look at that text file when we're back at the PC if we wish to. The blue LED confirms that the test is successful, which means after a final check we can go home. So what is the final check? Is the logger hooked up? Yes, it is. Is it logging? Yes, it is. DTM, do we have a power supply? Yes, we do. Is the test complete? Yes. Signal strength, that's okay. And are we connected to the logger? Yep, all of that is correct. And that's it. The DTM will now download the SPC Pro against the program schedule and transmit the data to the web for as long as the survey is programmed to last. We'll now have a quick look at how we get that data back from the web, which means we need to go back to the office. So here we are, back at the office. Although bear in mind we could be anywhere where we have access to a web-connected PC. This particular PC has already had the SPC software, PowerPack Pro, loaded onto it, although it is available for free download from this website, and it's been programmed with the same FTP site details as the DTM we were using earlier. In fact, that's an automatic function of the software. Any FTP site details uploaded to a DTM are automatically retained by the software. So if we open it up, we can see that it automatically checks the web for new files and it's found one. Yes, we do want to download it, and yes, I do want to view it. The file import process is actually identical to that used when the logger is directly connected to the PC, but as we've seen, it isn't. It can be literally anywhere where there's a mobile phone signal. SPC loggers are now officially and uniquely web enabled.